Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32.
First and foremost, I have little to no idea what the hell I am doing because I am not a lens fixing expert, but this is how I fixed mine using a lens vise from Amazon. Now, as you can see, filters do not fit properly on this lens because there is a dent on the lower left side. So first we're going to start by putting this little piece of cardboard on the lens element to protect it from any scratches that might occur. Next, we carefully and evenly place the tool onto the lens filter walls. Now we just shimmy it around the filtering, and this could take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes depending on your skill set, dent, and patience. Next, just blow all that garble out, take your filter, and give it a test drive. Note that it might take a couple tries. Took me 3 before I got the dent out, but just keep at it. Then boom, flex on them. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you find it useful. If not, well, I can't help you. If so, you can subscribe if you want. Bye.